Hey guys, I hope you're well. Today in this video we'll know about the 5 best and the most effective exercise for our lower body. But before performing these exercises, remember that you can't do these exercises without proper warm-up and stretching. So if you're done with the proper warm-up and stretching, then only you have to perform these exercises. And one more thing, you have to go very slow. If you are a beginner or intermediate like me, then you don't need to rush, don't go so fast because it will have no effect on your body, on your muscles. So be very slow, then only it will show some impact on your muscles, on your strength. And one more thing is, whatever you're doing, do it correctly. That is the key. So with much information, I would like to start. So let's get started. Now the first exercise is high knees. It's same like on the spot running, but your knee should come to your waist level. This exercise mainly works on your quad muscles, your hamstring, your calves along with your core. So I think our body is pumped up after doing the high knees. So it's time to do second exercise, which is squats along with lunges. In this exercise, what we have to do is we have to do squats, or you can do vice versa. We can do lunges, and then after we can do squats. So if you are doing 10 squats, then do 20 lunges. Or if you say in reverse, if you're doing 20 lunges, then do 10 squats. So this should be according to your body weight, according to your body requirement, how much you can do. And remember, these exercises you have to do in the set of 3. Now when we are done with the second exercise, now it's time to do third exercise, which is butt bridge. This exercise is very good, you will love it because it's very easy, but it is very effective at the same time. In the butt bridge, our main area of workload is on the glutes, our glute muscles, our hip muscles. So we'll do this. I hope you like doing butt bridges. Now we'll come to the fourth exercise, which is sumo squats. Now this exercise, sumo squats, mainly works on your inner thigh muscles as well as inner leg muscles. Because when we are sitting in the posture of sumo squats, our inner leg muscles are getting stressed, and that is what we want to do. We want to strengthen it, and we want to reduce the fat. So let's start. So after doing 4 exercises, here comes the last exercise, which is wall sit. So in this exercise, you have to lean against the wall in a sitting position, while your thighs should be parallel to the ground and your back should be in parallel contact with the wall. Do it very slow. Do it for at least 30 seconds. It is for the beginner, but you can do it for 45 seconds, 1 minute and longer. It is according to your body capacity, your body need. Okay. And one more thing is that you don't have to stop until or unless you feel pain, you feel burning sensation in your thighs, because that is very important. Then only you will see that yeah, today I have done something which is worth it, and then only you will see effect in your leg muscles in your thighs. So that's it, and now I will show you how to do the wall sit.